I wanted to do a quick walk around of this Streetfighter in the narrow gray paint scheme. Since we just put the high mount exhaust on it, I want to give a walk around, show a little bit of the differences between this one and the Panigale. Just a few minor changes with bracketing and the carbon fender that it comes with. But I wasn't too sure how I was going to feel about the high mount on the Streetfighter since this is our first one, but this thing looks sick. In my opinion, it might be a little better than the Panigale high mount, but to start, hopefully I can cover the license plate here, but this bracketing right there, that is a new piece. On the Panigales, it's just the L bracket right there. It doesn't have this cross bracing. I'm not sure if we're going to start seeing that on the Panigales or not, but I do like how that looks up back there compared to the Panigale. It cleans it up a little bit. And then for the next piece that we noticed when we were putting on is this little tiny carbon fender. I don't know if you want to call it a fender, but definitely chain guard and flat carbon. And then you get this little guy. I kind of like it with the exposed rear with no fender. I think it makes it look a lot more rad. Be able to see a lot more of that bluing once it starts getting hot. But yeah, I'll give it a start up and let you guys hear it. No revs today. This is a customer bike, but we will get an awesome start up.